Any special instructions for Cebu, sir?
For Cebu?
For Cebu muna, sir. Opo.
Well, Secretary Gilbert, who heads NDRMC, went there yesterday. He was planned. We had scheduled for him to come here, but instead he had to go to Cebu. We are still assessing the damage there, but the earthquake was very strong. Pagka yung mga ganyang klaseng numbers, that's a very big number already. So we're assessing the damage, we're assessing the needs na pangangailangan. Assessing the needs na pangangailangan. Assessing the needs na pangangailangan. Kung makita po ninyo, ang pagpunta po namin dito ay kasama po natin ang iba't ibang kalihim ng mga iba't ibang departamento na nandito upang magdala ng tulong dahil napakabigat ang pagkatama ng Opong dito, lalo na dito sa Masbate. Marami pa tayong ginagawa doon sa nakaraan ng bagyo. Hindi pa tayo tapos doon sa nakaraan ng bagyo. Tinamaan na tayo ng panibagong bagyo. Tapos may lindol pa yata nung kagabi.